Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here today. I'm Rinske Dauna and this is my art channel. Today I'm gonna make an acrylic pour painting, a round panel I have for you, and I would like to create a sort of star, if that makes sense. I received from a viewer some Australian Floetrol. It's sitting here for a while, haven't used it, but I think today I will layer some Australian Floetrol with titanium white on top and see how it creates the cells, and I'm gonna spin it out. Can't wait to see if this will work for me, because it's a little bit different, a little bit of an experiment, of course. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, this will be a second try. I want to create a sort of star, and I just have a couple of colors. I have olive green, phthalo green, Payne's Gray for the base, gold, and I do have some titanium white with Australian Floetrol, because I want to create a certain effect. It's the first time I'm using the Australian Floetrol, except for the try number 1 I just did. Okay, so let's add a base here. Okay, let's spin it out just a little. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, this should be enough for what I want to do. Okay, I'm really excited to see if this will work, what I have in mind. I will start with some phthalo green. And here too. And I'm hoping I'm sort of in the middle here, by the way. Probably not. Okay, looks interesting. I hope I'm in the middle. Let me pour here the Australian Floetrol, and I'm gonna blow that out by mouth. And I will spin this and hope it feathers out like a sort of star. Okay, it is. That's cool. I would have liked it if it was a little more subtle, I must say. The star is there. Definitely. Okay. Yeah, the color choices are a bit weird with the phthalo green and the olive green. I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea. Probably because it's a good idea to layer them on top of each other sometimes. So let's see, what do we think about this? A lot of gold. I love this one. And here, it's very cool. I definitely would have liked it more minimal. You know what? I'm gonna do this again on top of this. Yeah. Spin this first, just a little. All right. That's a kind of a cool effect. Yes, I'll start with this color. It's a violet red. Let's go here too. Yeah, let's add a little bit of the phthalo green. Crimson red. Why not? Let's test this out, shall we? Here just, oh. This looks fun. Let's add some gold. And then I'm gonna pour again the Australian Floetrol with the titanium white. Okay, so I'm not gonna blow out a lot of bottles. Cooler, better color choices as well. Let's start spinning this. Okay, not really a star. But here, that's looking so pretty. You know that Australian Floetrol is very cool. Such a nice effect in the middle there. Oh, I do love the color choices I made now. It's a little bit off center, but I do like that. I love that there's some yellow there. Yeah, this is so cool. I need to bring you up for a close-up because probably this looks very dark for you, but it's not at all. So let me give you one. Okay, so this is the middle part of the design. I love that yellow. Here are all those cells. It's very cool. Still, there's so much glare, you can't really see it very well. Because here, this looks super pink to you, but it has a lot of shades to it. So more sort of purple. I really like, by the way, I did one petal green here. You know, then it does look like a flower. You know. It's very cool. Yeah, so thanks for the lovely viewer. So what I did was I mixed my base and my colors with Oetrol Floetrol, like 40% or something, and add water. And then just poured on top the titanium white from Amsterdam with the Floetrol from Australia. Then yeah, got this result. Must say it took me a couple of tries, but this one is very cool. Okay, would love to hear what you think, of course. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.